Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been sparking a lot of conversations in financial circles. Why are the world's savviest investors, the billionaires, suddenly flocking to gold as we head into 2025? It's not just a hunch. There are some very compelling reasons behind this gold rush from the ultra-wealthy, and understanding them could be crucial for all of us. So, buckle up, because we're about to unveil the top 5 reasons why gold is becoming the new favorite asset for billionaires. First up, let's talk about the big elephant in the room: increasing economic instability. We've all seen the headlines, felt the shifts in the market, and there's a growing sense of unease. Recessions, market corrections, unpredictable swings. These are not just abstract concepts for billionaires, they're very real threats to their vast fortunes. When the economy starts looking shaky, traditional investments like stocks and bonds can become incredibly volatile. Companies might struggle, dividends could dry up, and even government bonds aren't always a guaranteed safe bet during extreme downturns. This is precisely where gold shines. Historically, gold has acted as a safe haven asset. When everything else seems to be falling apart, gold tends to hold its value, and sometimes even increases, because investors view it as a stable store of wealth. It's like an anchor in a stormy sea. Billionaires are looking at the current global economic landscape, weighing the risks, and consciously choosing to allocate more of their capital into something that has proven its resilience over millennia. They're not just hoping for the best, they're proactively safeguarding their wealth against potential economic storms. It's a smart defensive play, and it's a strategy that has served the wealthy well during every major economic crisis in history. Secondly, and closely related to economic instability, is the formidable challenge of inflation hedging. Inflation is like a silent thief, slowly eroding the purchasing power of your money. We've seen consumer prices creeping up, making everything from groceries to gas more expensive. For billionaires who hold massive amounts of capital, unchecked inflation can significantly diminish the real value of their assets. Imagine having $1 billion, but that $1 billion buys significantly less next year. That's a problem they want to avoid. This is where gold truly excels as an inflation hedge. When the cost of living rises and fiat currencies, like the dollar or euro, start losing their value, gold often performs exceptionally well. Why? Because gold's supply is finite, and its value isn't tied to the policies of any single government or central bank. It's a tangible asset that has maintained its intrinsic value for centuries. When inflation bites, people naturally gravitate towards assets that are perceived to hold their worth, and gold is at the top of that list. Billionaires aren't just earning money, they're also fiercely protecting what they already have, and gold offers that crucial shield against the corrosive effects of rising inflation rates. They're making sure their wealth doesn't just grow, but that its actual purchasing power remains robust. Moving on to our third reason: currency fluctuations. In an increasingly interconnected global economy, currency exchange rates can be incredibly volatile. Political events, economic data releases, interest rate changes, all these factors can cause major currencies to swing wildly against each other. For billionaires with diversified international portfolios and investments spanning multiple countries, these currency fluctuations can introduce significant risk. A strong dollar might be good for some things, but a weak dollar could benefit others, and vice versa. Managing this exposure is a full-time job. Gold, however, offers a unique kind of stability. Unlike fiat currencies, gold is universally recognized as a form of money and a store of value across borders. It's not tied to the economic health or political stability of any single nation. When one currency weakens significantly, the value of gold often rises in terms of that specific currency, effectively offsetting some of the losses from other assets denominated in that currency. It acts as a neutral asset, a kind of global financial constant in a world of ever-shifting currency values. Billionaires are using gold to diversify their currency exposure, providing a stable foundation to their wealth, even when the major global currencies are experiencing turbulent times. They're creating a kind of financial sanctuary that is less susceptible to the whims of national economic policies. Our fourth reason is the ever-present shadow of geopolitical tensions. Look around the world today. Conflicts, political unrest, trade wars, diplomatic disagreements. These events, unfortunately, are becoming more common and often have unpredictable economic consequences. Geopolitical instability can send shockwaves through financial markets, disrupting supply chains, affecting international trade, and even leading to outright crises. For someone with billions, these events pose a direct threat to their wealth preservation strategies. During times of global unrest, trust in traditional financial systems can waver. People, and especially the super-rich, seek out assets that are seen as ultimate stores of value, assets that aren't directly impacted by the political turmoil in a specific region. Gold fits this bill perfectly. It's not a stock that can plummet due to sanctions, nor a bond tied to a government facing internal strife. It's a physical asset, universally recognized and valued, that transcends political borders. Billionaires are strategically allocating to gold as a hedge against these unpredictable global events, ensuring that a significant portion of their wealth remains secure, regardless of how tense the international situation becomes. It's a proactive measure to protect against the unknown and to preserve their purchasing power, no matter what global headlines might emerge. They understand that while they can't control global politics, they can control how their assets are positioned to withstand its impacts. Finally, and perhaps most fundamentally, we come to diversification strategies. Even the most successful billionaires understand the age-old wisdom: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification, spreading investments across different asset classes to reduce overall risk and potentially enhance returns. While many billionaires have diverse portfolios, including real estate, private equity, venture capital, stocks and bonds, gold offers a unique uncorrelated asset. What does uncorrelated mean? It means gold's price movements often tend to move in the same direction as other major asset classes. For example, when the stock market is crashing, gold might be going up. This inverse relationship makes gold an excellent portfolio stabilizer. By increasing their gold allocation, billionaires are not just betting on gold, they're enhancing the overall resilience of their entire financial ecosystem. They're balancing out the risks associated with other investments. It provides a robust hedge that can cushion the blows when other parts of their portfolio are under pressure. It's a sophisticated strategy that helps them achieve more consistent long-term growth and capital preservation. They're not just looking for massive returns, they're looking for stability and sustained wealth growth, and gold plays a crucial role in that sophisticated balancing act. So, there you have it, the top 5 compelling reasons why the world's billionaires are increasingly turning to gold as we approach 2025. From economic instability and inflation hedging, to currency fluctuations, geopolitical tensions, and sophisticated diversification strategies, gold's timeless appeal as a store of value makes it an indispensable asset in their portfolios. It's a move born out of shrewd financial foresight and a deep understanding of market dynamics. What do you think about the billionaire's gold strategy? Are you also considering adding more gold to your own portfolio, or perhaps you have a different perspective? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing your thoughts and insights. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of finance and investment. Your support truly helps us bring you more valuable content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.